Hi and welcome back to the new part modeling tutorial in CATIA V5. This is our exercise number 39, side milling cutter. All dimensions are in mm. In this video, we'll design this part in CATIA V5 and next upcoming videos we'll design same part in SolidWorks and we analyze this part in CATIA and SolidWorks this week. Thank you for supporting. Select a sketch, right click and define. Select position sketch and select this YZ plane and OK. Select a circle command, create a circle from origin point. This circle diameter is 50 mm. Select fit in all and exit workbench. Define the part body and select sketch 1. Select pad command. Pad length is 4 mm. Select mirror extend. Total length of this part is 8 mm and OK. Change the material mode. Select shading with edges. Select sketch and define. Select position sketch and select YZ plane and OK. Select circle command, create circle. This circle diameter is 42 mm. This is intermediate circle. Select project 3D element, project this outer edge. Now hide the part body. Select line command, create vertical line to connect these circles. Again select line command, create inclined line to connect outer circle. This inclined line angle is 60 degree. 60. Now select trim command. Select this circle and select this vertical line. Again select this circle and this line. Now deactivate the trim command. Select this intermediate circle, convert this circle as a construction. Now select 3-point arc. Select first point. This is the second point. Now give the radius of this arc. Radius is 23 mm. Now select this inclined line and convert this line as a construction line. So this is our sketch. You can check the status of the sketch. It should be ISO constraint. ISO and exit workbench. Now define the part body. Select sketch 2 and select pocket command. Select mirror extend and OK. So this is our pocket. Now define the part body. Select pocket 1 and select circular pattern. In the parameter box, intersection angular spacing. Angular spacing is 60 degree. Instances are 6. Reference element, select this outer face. Review and OK. Now define the sketch and select this face. Select position sketch and OK. Select circle command. Create circle from origin point. This circle diameter is 15 mm. Exit workbench. Now define the part body and select sketch 3. Select pad command. This pad length is 1.5 mm towards the left side and OK. Define the part body. Select hole command. Select this backside face. Position sketch. Now constrain this point. And select this circle edge. Right click, concentricity and exit workbench. This hole diameter is 8 mm. Change blind to next. Move to type. Change simple to counter bore. Counter bore diameter is 15 mm and depth is 1 mm. Review and OK. So this is our counter bore hole feature. And now give the chamfer and edge fillets. Select chamfer command. Select this inside hole edge and this side edge. Chamfer length is 0.2 mm. OK. Now select edge fillet. Select this face, and this back side face and internal face. And select these faces. This edge fillet radius is 0.2 mm. Review and OK. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please be comment in this video. We'll see in the next video on analysis of this part in CATIA V5. And this week we'll design this part in SolidWorks